Okay, let's start. Get ready, 3, 2, 1, we're on the air.
Thank you. I'm Julia Child, a French chef, and welcome to all of you. Today we are going to make chicken coq au vin. One of my most favorite dishes, and I know that you're all going to enjoy it. And what it involves is a lot of wine, a lot of red wine. So I know you're going to like this. I have a very, very special guest here tonight who's going to help me. We always like to have a celebrity chef. So without any further ado, I want to bring on my very special celebrity guest tonight. Everybody clap it! It's kind of help me. And here she is.
Thanks for having me, Miss Julia.
Oh, I'm so happy you're here. So happy you're here.
You know,
So
there's a
we're
lot
gonna
of things
make-
I've learned from Granny in the kitchen.
This one. We're gonna cook a good bit of food here tonight. We're gonna make chicken coq au vin.
Coq au vin? What's that mean?
That means chicken and wine. So we need a chicken. So the first thing we gotta do is get our chicken out.
We don't have wine. We have whiskey.
And here's our chicken. Chicken here.
What do you do with it?
I'm gonna kill this son of a bitch. So we're gonna take care of it. So the first thing we gotta do.
Wait a minute.
We need a chicken.
Is that victual tools you have got there right now? Nice victual tools.
And then we're gonna kill that sucker
No,
too.
not sloth. He's not sloth.
First thing we gotta do is we gotta kill the chicken. And hope that damn thing kill the son of a bitch. Think about it. Alright. We're gonna get it. Then we just got the chicken. The dead chicken. Here it goes. We put in some onion. Get it, it won't stay in there, so hold on.
There may be some stock water or broth.
Get that damn
Poor chicken.
Get in there. Stay in there.
Oh my God.
I want to stay in
Oh
there.
my God. Oh, that poor little chicken. He came from the cement pond with him.
We're gonna put in some peppers. Put in some pepper as well. And we gotta season our chicken.
You got to season the chicken.
Which is different than choking the chicken. So where the chicken goes.
My belt's happy to see you.
And the next thing we're gonna put in.
Ooh, that kind of reminds me of my brother Jethro.
So that's a Jethro.
Put it in the pot. Put it in the pot.
Put it to where?
In the pot. The possum pot.
In the possum pot. So, say goodbye to Jethro. Oh, poor Jethro. Want the small in it?
He'll be back. He always grows another one.
I got another one at home for later. I'll put that one in here just to be safe in case I need it later.
I really look like Jethro.
You never know.
Granny didn't like that.
Oh, I like that. Thank you so much. We're gonna have a little bit of wine to go in there.
How about in your...
Yeah, I think before it goes in there. Hold on.
Oh my God, I'm just here to help, but... She's some hot chef. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it feels so different with doing a dress.
My little sloth is so
I
happy.
know, I got Nancy's panties on too. All right, so give me the critter. Let's kill that sucker too.
What?
Yeah, can we kill him and put him in? I mean, make critter coq au vin.
Well, Julia.
Get him in there. Kill him! We're having some roadkill.
He's gonna move on.
We gotta put some roux. We gotta make the roux. The roux is important. Don't ever get to make the roux. So we got some flour here.
Oh,
And the flour is important. You mix it with some butter. Ooh. Holy moly. So don't forget to make the roux as well. That's really, really important. Excuse me for something right there.
here, I can help that.
Oh, thank you,
Oh, Miss Julia, you're the
Thank
best.
you so much. Thank you.
Wait, remind you.
I think so. Is it okay? Oh, the poor little chicken's dead. There he is, a chicken sticking his head out, too. Don't forget Jethro. Where's Jethro? Where's Jethro? You don't want to forget Jethro. Throw him in there.